This video shows how to buy shares of Fifth District Bancorp Inc, a regional bank holding company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker FDSB. This is an educational guide and not financial advice. To start, you need a broker account. We use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. And after registering, you will typically need to verify your account with an ID and add funds before buying. Use the platform search and type the ticker FDSB to find the company. Then select the matching Fifth District Bancorp Inc. listing to ensure it is the correct stock. On the asset page, review the company summary and the price chart to see recent movement, and confirm the page explicitly shows Fifth District Bancorp Inc. and the ticker FDSB before continuing. To place an order, click Buy. Enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review and confirm your order details before submitting. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or executed at the next market opportunity, and the platform will prompt you to add funds if you do not have enough balance. After execution, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it, and if you want to follow the same walkthrough, find the eToro link in the description below.